guys, welcome back to my channel. I have the same intro for all my videos, so if you guys have any tips on how to do intros, let your girl know because I feel like a broken robot. I recently purchased this Revlon, and there's my hair all over it, but I forgot the exact name of it, but it's like the Revlon brush blow dryer off of Amazon. I swear I do not mean to mention TikTok in all of my videos. I recently did a TikTok first impressions video on this and it was really popular. And I really enjoyed this product, so I wanted to give my review and a quick demo of how I use it. Honestly, this is like my favorite go-to hair tool because typically I honestly don't do too much with my hair. I mainly just let it air dry. One, I don't like to use a lot of heat on my hair. Two, my hair takes forever to dry, so if I were to blow dry it from wet to dry, it could take like 40 plus minutes. And then also I'm not that coordinated when it comes to like looking in the mirror and trying to use my brush and then my blow dryer and then brush it out. So I just kind of gave up on giving myself a blowout. The only time I really use a blow dryer and a brush is I'll use a round brush and take it to my bangs so I can flip it out so that it gives that nice like flip. So let me get started, and setting up this background and my filming setup actually took a while, so my hair it's still damp, but I'm going to make it a little bit more wet. So typically I'll let my hair air dry for a little bit, so I'm not using it directly right when I get out of the shower. I'll usually air dry for maybe about like 20 to 30 minutes and then I'll go in. So I just sprayed a little bit more water on my hair and I'm gonna use, I love this stuff. I think I've gone through 2 or 3 jars of it. Just run it through my hair. I typically focus it also a lot on my ends since my ends are pretty dry and I have bleached hair. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Spray. And then I just use this wet dry brush. I don't know where I got it. I must probably off Amazon since I get everything off Amazon. I will show you how loud the blow dryer gets. It gets pretty loud, so I'll probably have to mute this part of the video. One thing I did want to mention that I used on my TikTok video that I got a lot of questions about was this Color Wow Dream Coat Spray. See it there. So that was actually my first time trying this spray and the Revlon. What it's supposed to do, and I got mine off Amazon, it's supposed to help with basically locking in your hair, so it helps with shine, frizz. I mean, my hair doesn't get crazy in humidity, but it's supposed to help with humidity. So if you live in a humid area, maybe look into this. It's heat activated and it lasts 3 to 4 shampoos. So I'm not going to use it today because the last time I used it, I've only washed my hair twice since that video, but it requires a blow drying to activate. Next time I wash my hair and use this product, then I would spray it. But I did notice my blowout lasted for 3 to 4 days, and typically since I have bleached hair, usually on the 2nd or 3rd day my hair will start to get a little bit dry, and my hair looked like I had just blow dried it that morning. So that's why I really like this product, and in total it took me about a little less than 20 minutes to do my whole head. I was making a TikTok, so it did take a little bit longer, but overall I really like it. So the only thing I have to mention is that since it's blowing air out and it's a complete 360 brush, I did get a little sweaty and hot blow drying your hair. It blows the heat back onto your neck, so I did get a little sweaty when I did that. There's a cool, low, and high setting. I personally just used the low setting. I feel like the low setting was strong enough for me to do my hair. I just really like how it's a 360 brush and it's not just on the front. I haven't experimented, but you can really do like twists and turns with it. And what I find is best for my hair, because it's long and I don't want it to pull, is I will go underneath and then also just kind of like when I'm pulling it down, I'm holding and guiding the bottom of my hair. So let's get to it. I just do it in 4 sections. I'm just gonna clip up this hair. So I'll just do like a bottom section and then a top section. So this is what it sounds like. This is cool, low, and high. Like I said, I just use the low section, and let's get started. So I just wanted to show you, yes, my hair is naturally straight, but this is just what the difference is. So next I will just let my hair down. So I put my already blow dried hair to the front and that's what it looks like. It's super shiny and really soft. Honestly, when I do my hair, like I can't stop touching it. It's just so sleek. It's like you got a blowout at the salon. Just keep going around your head. For me, since I have my swooped bangs, when I get to the top, I'll typically go from the back to the front, so I do my bangs last. So pretty much almost done, and the last part are my bangs. So what I do is I part my hair in the middle, but I take enough of each side, and to get that little swoop that I like, so I'm going to take the brush, this is my hair, go behind it, and then you're going to pull it down and out. I will show you what I mean. For your hair should look like this. Now, clearly I need a haircut, but I'm unable to get one. I don't trust myself with scissors, so my swoop is pretty long, but that's kind of the effect you'll get. This is the finished look. I think that took me less than 20 minutes to do my whole head. My hair is super shiny. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, but my hair it's super shiny and soft and really straight. And my hair will look like this for the next few days. And I notice like my hair doesn't get as oily as fast. So that's why it's quickly becoming my most favorite hair tool. Even if it's just to like flip out my bangs, it's just so much easier than using a round brush and then a blow dryer and trying to figure out like which hand does what, because I'm no hair expert. I'm blow dryer challenged. Tool is super easy for anybody who wants a blowout look or just to blow dry their hair fast. I highly recommend this, so I'll leave the link below. I got mine off of Amazon, but I think you can get it at Ulta. I personally just really like this tool because I could never give myself a blowout, and I really like the look of it because your hair just looks sleek and really put together, and it usually lasts a few days, so I really like the look of it, but I could never give myself one. And travel wise, if we will ever be able to travel again, I think this is just super easy to pack instead of having to bring a blow dryer or use the hotel blow dryer with a brush. I think this just is super easy to travel with. The hype around this is so worth it. If you guys have any questions about the blow dryer or any of the products you saw in my video, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. There's obviously off. This tool is, yeah, I already said that. Let me get my hair.